Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do the breakdance kickout. This dynamic move is a cornerstone of breakdancing, helping you build incredible core strength, balance, and body control. We'll break down the technique step by step, from your initial setup to the full extension. Mastering the kickout will not only improve your overall breakdancing, but also unlock a world of more complex power moves. Let's get started and learn this awesome skill together. To begin, find a comfortable and stable starting position. Many dancers prefer a frog stand or a low handstand, with your hands firmly on the ground, about shoulder width apart. It's crucial to keep your arms completely locked out and your core muscles engaged throughout. Your non-kicking leg should be slightly bent, ready to push off the floor, providing the initial momentum for your kick. Focus on maintaining a solid, balanced base before you even think about moving. Now for the kick itself. From your stable base, smoothly extend one leg straight out to the side. Imagine your leg is a perfectly straight line, parallel to the floor, with your toes pointed. It's vital to keep your upper body completely still and your shoulders stacked directly over your hands. Avoid any sudden, forceful kicks. Instead, aim for a controlled, deliberate extension. This precision helps maintain your balance and prevents you from losing your form. When practicing, watch out for common mistakes. Many people tend to let their hips drop or arch their lower back too much, which can strain your body and reduce control. To build confidence and perfect your form, try practicing against a wall. This provides support and helps you understand the correct body alignment. Consistent practice is key. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes each day, and you'll see significant improvement in your kick-out technique very quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.